Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can join Google Classroom as a student using a mobile phone. Here I'm using an Android phone. So first just go to Play Store, Google Play Store here. So here, Google Play Store. So I click here, Google Play Store. So it's opening. Then search Google Classroom. So it's Google Classroom. So you find it here, so I click. Once you click that, just click install. So this application will be installed on your phone. So once you have installed, after installing your mobile app, Google Classroom mobile app, you will find this view. So where you're supposed to put the class code that the teacher has given you. So if you want to join the class, you will ask your teacher the class code. So the class codes that you are supposed to use, class codes are like keys on Google Classroom. So those are the Google Classroom codes are like keys that we use to enter to the classroom. So ask your teacher to give you the class codes. Once you get those class codes, you should click this plus button at the top right hand corner here. This plus button, click here, you'll find a place written join class. So click that join class, then enter the class codes here. So you can enter the class codes, then you click join.